This island, boy, yeah. Wagwan beautiful people. You don't know it's Island Boy Africa. Yesterday. So guys, right now today is the day I'll be recording my very first song in Australia. You see me? So I already booked a studio session. Today is the first day, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys the studio. You see me? It's pretty nice. Back to the music again, guys. Let's see. This is the studio, guys. Very nice setup. Yeah. What's your name again, bro?
Ned.
Ned.
Ned. Al.
Yeah. So, you guys gonna do a first studio session. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. Let's go now. All right, guys. So.
Don't shut these doors hard because the.
Yeah. Cool. All right, guys. So about to do the session now. So this is the booth. Pretty big, as you can see. Yeah, guys. Woo. Let's go now. So guys, unfortunately you won't be able to see me recording my verses and chorus because for some reason the camera wasn't working at one point. But you will be able to see me recording the backup vocals, ad libs, and you get to see the finished product of everything. Yeah, so I apologize for that, but do hope you enjoy this video. All right, so let's go. Whew. All right, guys, so whew. Listen to the first session, guys. Whew. Yeah.
Sick, dude.
Yeah, respect, man.
Yeah, your voice sounds really nice.
Yeah.
So I've just got, what did we end up with? 3 playlists for your verses.
Okay.
And I just doubled up your choruses straight away there.
Yeah.
Switch that up so we can see it all. Alright. I'll put that air conditioner back on for you.
Alright.
Yeah, while we're not.
Yeah, true. Them system. Turn you, it's like we ain't a victim. Yeah. Man still up on the front page and I look for your upgrade. Can't go home with just chump change. And even though I'm hungry, I still some my best fears. Poverty life, cause no pain. And I know from way back in the days, no for with them slave, with them shackles and chain. Good thing we did bad and so brave, be able to make it out them days. Still the dark side of the world remain. Everybody want power, everybody want fame. No love, no show, you buck, your foot, you fall along, still nobody's there. Life is nothing like the games we play. And if you're not there, changing it's the same. Yeah, city of dogs and city of human race. Yeah, life is nothing like the games we play. Them love to come here with them crab in a barrel mentality. For every little opportunity them sell out. This bad mind culture where we living and the man no want you better than him. So be careful of who you tell you go a foreign. Them system brainwashing the youths. Religion, politics, not true. Them just want control over you man. So try know where you stand. Don't let them walk you out with 2 grand. As we work more, can't sit down depend on the body. The amount of people hurt me and them never tell me sorry. Still me never pay vengeance, control me temper. And furthermore dirty heart me not carry. Life is nothing like the games we play. And if you're not there changing it's the same. Yeah, city of dogs and city of human race. Yeah, life is nothing like the games we play. Alright then. Them can't fight on me with them blood money. Classism, racism, see them all coming. But tell them we're not running. The pain and the sacrifice to me, it's worth everything. Pray to my God, not dwelling on a devil sin. Your blood are running out the city and a pretty thing. I just stay focused when everybody hate us with human trafficking. Youths them not living right. Them a thing I make a priest so side. Where's them morals, where is them pride? Wolf in a sheep clothes under disguise. Please stay far from me is my advice. People are not the same like they used to be. Everybody wanna point fingers, oh it's a shame. Yeah, city of dogs and city of human race. Yeah, life is nothing like the games we play. Alright then.
Yeah, nice work, man.
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna do some more takes.
Did you want to attack anything again there, or?
Yeah. I wanna do the intro. There's a little part in the intro that
just a little starty bit there.
Yeah, and I wanna do like some little kind of like ad libs, like backup track.
Yeah. Just little taglines and stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's do that intro first.
All right, let's do that. Brand new release, guys. Make sure to go check it out. You see me? Out on all platforms. Yeah, guys. Let's go now. Stop 1 sec. Just the intro part. Wanna like do it twice? Yeah, just the intro. Ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. With them shackles and chain, you able to make it out them days. Remain. Everybody want feel. You buck your foot. Still nobody steer. Yeah. Human race. Life is nothing like the games we play. See them all coming, running, sacrifice used to pay. You wanna point fingers, oh it's a shame. Yeah. City of human race. Yeah. Like the games we play. Human race. Life is nothing like the games we play. When you stand for 2 grand, and them never tell me sorry. Control me temper, dirty heart me no carry. Yeah, and if you're not the change, and it's the same. Not running, to me it's worth everything. Not dwelling on a devil sin. Not the city on a pretty thing. Cause when everybody head a spin, trafficking, it's them not living right. Pre-suicide, where is them pride? Cause under disguise, stay far from me is my advice. The same thing, yeah. Wanna point fingers, oh it's a shame. Righty guys. Let's hear what it sounds like now. Woo. It's warm outside.
Yeah, it's nice and then boom.
Yeah, can feel it.
I'll just remember to keep putting on your aircon in there too.
Yeah, guys, getting it all together, you know. Yeah, man, can't wait to hear the final cut. Like that would be great. That's gonna be amazing. Whenever it mix and everything, stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man still up at the front page and I look for you.
I'll turn them up a bit so we can hear them. Do you want to listen to them both at the same time for now, or just one at a time?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. I just thought both at the same time, then we can go. Yeah, that one's good. That one's good.
Yeah.
I'll turn them up.
Yeah.
A bit more than they should be, just so we can hear what you're doing.
Man still up at the front page and I look for your bread. Can't go woman, just jump shit. And even though I'm hungry, I still some of my best fears. Poverty life has no fears. And I know from way back in all the days, no for we them slave, with them shackles and chain. Good thing with the bad and so brave be able.
Have I moved this?
Let me hear it again.
Did you move it when you moved the first one across?
Yeah, I think I've moved something.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Because they're all after, and I don't remember you doing it like that. So it will be gridded.
Yeah, man still up on the front page and
There we go.
man still up on the front page and I look for your upgrade. Can't go home with just chump change.
Here we go.
And even though I'm hungry, I still some of my best fears. Poverty life has no fear. And I know from way back in all the days, no for with them slave, with them shackles and chain. Go to with the bad and so brave, be able to make it out them days. Them days, till the dark side of the world remain. Everybody want power, everybody want fear. No love, no show, you buck, your foot, you fall across, still nobody steer. No steer. Life is nothing like the games we play. And if you're not the change, and it's the same. Yeah, city of dogs and city of human race. Yeah, life is nothing like the games we play. Them love to come here with them rabbit and barrel mentality. For every little opportunity them sell out. This bad mind culture where we living and the man no want you better than him. So be careful of who you tell you go foreign. Them system brainwashing the youth. Religion, politics, the truth. Them just want control over humans. So try know where you stand. Don't make them walk you won't be too grand. Cause we work hard. Can't sit down depend on anybody. The amount of people hurt me and them never tell me sorry. Still me never prevention, control me temper. And furthermore dirty heart in the turn. Life is nothing like the games we play. Yeah. And if you're not the change, then it's the same. Yeah. City of dogs and city of human race. Yeah. Life is nothing like the games we play. Alright then, them can't frighten me with them blood money. Classism, racism, see them all coming. But tell them we're not running. The pain and the sacrifice to me, it's worth everything. Pray to my God, not dwelling on a deficit. Your blood are running out of the city on a pretty thing. I just stay focused when everybody else been. Human trafficking, youths them not living right. Them until you make it breathe so inside. Where's them morals, where is them pride? Wolf in a sheep is under disguise. Please stay far from me is my advice. People are not the same like they used to be. Yeah. Everybody wanna point fingers, oh it's a shame. Yeah.
And yeah, I was going to start to learn to do recording, and it just so happened that Al, the studio engineer, I'd recorded a lot of albums with.
Okay.
He had to leave his studio.
Alright.
So we decided
Mum and Dad had to sell the property.
Yeah, do a partnership, and he moved all his gear in here. So which is great because he has somewhere to record, and I get to learn off him as well.
Awesome.
Nice.
Great. Good stuff.
Nice.
It's a really good studio.
Yeah,
honestly.
inside here is beautiful, guys.
Well, it was funny because like Ned, I'd seen him building this.
Yeah.
On like he's showing little pictures of him building stuff, and
Yeah.
that was right when I was closing.
Okay.
And Ned, I just said to Ned, "Oh, I've got to move, man." He's like, "Well, I'm already building one." I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
So it's just perfect.
Yeah, for real. So guys, yeah, and Ed is the drummer. He's a drummer as well. So yeah, really nice studio, guys. You know, so he just open up the studio and things. So yeah, can come on the session until I get my home studio set up and thing like that. So it's gonna be a vibe, you know. It is a vibe.
It's good, don't
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, guys. So that was a nice session there, you know. Yeah, man. So lay down the song much better, because actually I done this song in Jamaica before and I wasn't pleased with, you know, how it was recording and thing like that, you know. So yeah, I recorded it over now. You see me? So yeah, so it's gonna be an amazing song, trust me. So make sure, guys, when you're seeing this, it will be actually out, you see me? So make sure to go stream it, you see me? Watch it on my channel as well, you see me? I don't even know what I say right now, but you see me? Check it out on Spotify, get it on iTunes, you see me? Just show some support. Yeah, man. And Bea, what you want to say?
I just want to say I'm so happy and grateful that we persevered to finding someone for Babe. I feel like they're a great match.
Definitely.
The guy that's producing and mixing.
Yeah.
So I like his vibe. I like their vibe.
True.
They're really like down to earth people.
True.
So I can't wait. Can't wait for this song to come out.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big song, guys. It's 2021 vibe. I'm telling you, it's gonna be number one.
Deep lyrics, you know?
Yep, deep lyrics, guys.
Yeah.
All right, I hope you all enjoy it.
True.
Don't forget, check it out, iTunes, Spotify.
Yeah, man.
You know what
Go
it is.
stream it. Go
That's
buy
it.
it.
Go.
Yeah, man.
All right, blessings, guys.
Blessings.
Wagwan beautiful people, you don't know it's Island Boy Africa. Yes, right guys. Alright, so I'm here to let you know about my brand new single that's out right now called City of Dogs by Provydah. You guys would wonder Provydah, but your name is Africa. But as of recent time, I've changed my artist name to Provydah for personal reasons, and that name would ring a bell to a lot of people that know me from way back. You see it? So this name is nothing new for the people that would know me. Yeah, man. But for my fan base right now, yeah, that's the name I'm gonna work with. Feel free to call me by Africa just the same, and this YouTube channel the name will not be changed. It will always be Island Boy Africa, you know, my personal vlogging channel. So yeah, the single is out right now. It's been a couple days that it's been out, but it's the first I'm announcing it on the YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm hoping to see you guys over there to show me some support, you know, stream it, buy it if you love the music, you see it, and let me know your opinion on this track. Yeah, man, and plenty more to come. So yeah, man, link will be down in the description, also pin in the comment section. Yeah, man, so check it out and let me know. All right, blessings.